Part 6, Coriolis Effect Explained, Hurricanes and Magnetohydrodynamics on the Flat Earth. Hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons are just different names for cyclical storm systems depending on which part of the world they occur. Cyclical storms are caused by electromagnetism in a process called magnetohydrodynamics, and not by the Coriolis effect of a spinning Earth. The Earth does not spin, rotate, or move. It's motionless, fixed, and stationary. Here's a diagram of how storm systems move in the northern and southern hemisphere. Counterclockwise in the north, clockwise in the south. Everything from the North Pole to the equator is of one polarity or charge. And conversely, everything from the equator to the South Antarctic ring is of the opposite polarity or charge. One polarity or charge in the north, and the opposite polarity or charge in the south. In a future video, we will explain the true magnetic structure. Once again, theoretical science got it wrong. Again, remember what science really is, an experiment that is observable and repeatable. Theoretical science is not real science. It is a religious belief system. Real science, electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is the one true force in the cosmos. That is why you only have gadgets that are powered by electricity. Gravity and the others are bollocks. Don't worry, we will explain. Right-hand rule of electricity. Right-hand rule of electricity. Directional flow of electrical current determines direction of spin. Thumb points to direction of current flow, and fingers show the direction of spin. Magnetohydrodynamics, the behavior of an electrically conductive fluid, plasma, molten metals, water, acted on by a magnetic field. In the case of cyclical storms, the conductive liquid would be the salt water of the oceans. Electrical current flow in the polarity of the magnetic field determines rotational spin of storms, not the Coriolis effect. Sorry, Mr. Coriolis, you have been completely debunked. Another theoretical science model down the drain. Short video on how magnetohydrodynamics works and creates the correct spins for the storms on each side of the equator. Link will be in the description. Absolutely vital information to watch and understand can be found at this channel, Mr. Too Tough 2. Sub and watch his videos. I would highly recommend that you watch all of his videos about electricity. The other stuff we will get to and is a must for seeing the whole picture of the truth.